आर्थिक वर्ष 2027-28 मेरेन $1 ट्रिलियन अर्थव्यवस्था करपाचो भारताचे ध्येय आसा. वाणिज्य आणि उद्योग मंत्रालय, गोंय सरकार आणि एफआयइओ गोंयची निर्यात दुप्पट करपाच्या मार्गार चर्चा करपा खातीर निर्यात कॉन्क्लेव आयोजीत करतली. अभियांत्रिकी आणि बारीक सारीक उद्योगाक गती मेळिल्ल्यान उद्योग तज्ञांक फुडल्या 3 वर्सांक दुपेटीन निर्यात उत्पन्न जावपाची आशा आसा. पळयात.
गोंय हे सदांच निर्यातीचें केंद्र आसलें अशें डिसोजा पंगडाचे अध्यक्ष राल्फ डिसोजान सांगलें. राज्य सुरवातीक मायनिंग आनी हेर वस्तूंच्या निर्यातीचेर अवलंबून आसलें, पूण आतां मायनिंग बंद जातकच ताचो जागो फार्मा आनी नुस्त्याच्या धंद्यान घेवपाक सुरवात केल्या अशेंय ताणें सांगलें. गोंयांत खूब क्षमता आसा आनी येता त्या 3 वर्सांनी निर्यात वाड $1.7 अब्ज वयल्यान $3.5 अब्ज मेरेन पावतली अशी आमकां आशा आसा अशें नंदकिशोर कागलीवालान सांगलें. आयकात.
Well, Goa, as you all know, has always been known all over the world as the tourist capital. Not many people know that Goa also has been a very prominent exporter of agri-produce, fisheries, and marine products for that matter. And Goa of late has emerged as an industrial hub for plant, fertilizer complex, tires, manufacturing of cement, electrical equipment, and more importantly, PCBs and pharmaceuticals. And there is immense potential. Exports from Goa so far have been around $1.23 billion in 1920, and in 2021 it recorded an increase to $1.7 billion. But obviously the potential is immense, and we as a nation have targeted to double the export volumes. So Goa should also be aiming to reach from $1.7 billion to about $3.5 billion in next 3 years' time.
Of course, exports is the mainstay of Goa. Over the last decade, Goa has been always an export-oriented state. We started largely with iron ore, bauxite and manganese. We were the premier exporters in commodities. But now since last 8 years, the mining has stopped. So the farm and the fisheries have stepped in, and we are making good progress. Besides the goods, we also export our services, and this export of services is done through tourism, where the international tourists, more than almost 1 million per year, visit Goa, and they are long haul holiday makers and spend an average of at least 2 weeks, and that brings in a lot of foreign exchange again. So we export services as well. Now, after the mining crisis, there is a huge gap, and in spite of this, in 2020 we have achieved 1.7 million and 1.7 billion. I'm sorry, and we are quite sure that we will double this amount within next 3 years. Of course, one of the factors that gives me confidence is that mining will start in 3 years. But besides this, we have realized that the need of the hour today is to give a boost to the engineering industry, the small scale industries which are the backbone in of the manufacturing sector in Goa. We have started our exports, and most of this industry that we have in Goa, manufacturing industry, supplied to some big other companies. So we are looking into making Goa export hub of engineering goods also.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.